In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change homepage on Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set any page on your site as the first thing visitors see when they land on your domain. Have your site open in the Wix editor so you can follow along in real time. To get started, look to the left side of the Wix editor and click the Pages icon. This opens your full list of site pages in a panel, making it easy to see everything at a glance, including main pages and any sub-pages. This is where you'll choose the page you want to make your new home page. Next, in that list, hover your mouse over the page you want to set as the home page. Hovering reveals quick actions for that specific page. Take a moment to pick the page that best welcomes visitors and points them toward the most important actions on your site, whether that's browsing products, learning about your services, or reading key updates. As an example, I'll hover over a store page. When you hover, you'll notice a small 3-dot menu appear to the right of the page name. Go ahead and click those 3 dots to open additional options for that page. This is a quick way to access all the controls without leaving the page list. From the menu that appears, click Settings. This opens the Page Settings panel for the page you selected. Here you can manage details specific to that page, but the option we're focusing on right now is the one that controls which page is your home page. Inside Page Settings, find the option labeled Make This Your Home Page and click it. Selecting this tells Wix that this page should be the default landing page for your site's main URL. It's a small change with a big impact on your visitors' first impression and how they navigate your content. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure you're making the right choice. Click Set to confirm. Once you do, Wix updates the page list to show a home icon next to the page you just chose. That icon is your quick visual confirmation that the change is active. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure your newly chosen page has clear calls to action and easy navigation to the rest of your site. If your site uses a header menu, double check that the layout and links still make sense with this page as the starting point. And remember, you can switch your homepage again at any time by repeating these same steps. That's all it takes to change your homepage on Wix. Thanks for watching, and great job taking control of your site's first impression.